What's up, guys? We are smack dab in the middle of quarantine season, and I thought, what better time is there than now to completely redo my cable management? It's looking pretty rough. I'm gonna show some B-roll here of my setup. Cords are everywhere, and I need to redo it. It's not looking great. So I bought a few products, and I want to walk you guys through how I'm going to set up my cable management system, and I'll put links down in the description if you want to check out some of the products that I bought for this cable management setup. In the end, I'm hoping that we can pretty much see zero cables at all. So that's the goal. We'll see if I can do that. So yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so first up we have this J-channel strip here that I'm goofing off with. It's got an adhesive back. I highly recommend picking this one up. It made a huge difference in my setup to be able to run cables through that thing. Next, we've got this Velcro strip with an adhesive back as well. That's super handy because you're going to be sticking that to the back of some of your power supplies and what other components you might have. I have also an Ethernet switch in there. So once you got that set up, start sticking your components. Take a lot of time to figure out how you're going to be running your cords through this. I kid you not, this is not a quick process. It took me at least 6 hours to lay out everything, stick everything to my back of my desk, and actually make it look clean. So even though this video is only 3 minutes long, I assure you it took a while. I got some Velcro strips that comes in the IKEA cable management kit, as well as these zip ties. Kind of makes everything look nice and clean and together. You can see here all the different cable management I've got going on with the different cable ties. Really helps make it look clean. And then there's this nice black cable sleeve I picked up as well. In the end, I think it turned out great. As you can see here, here's the after. So yeah, I'll just let you guys take a look at the after. Anyways guys, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit that like, and if you'd like to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button. See you guys.